Just 3.5% intelligent Goenkas. That is what it will take to transform Goa. Goenkara, you have two options. Option 1, remain selfish and keep whining, keep complaining, keep protesting against corrupt leaders, and during election time get hypnotized with few currency notes and elect the same corrupt leaders who you were complaining about. And after election, the vicious cycle repeats again. Whining, complaining, protesting against the same corrupt leaders they themselves have elected. Option 2, Goenkara, you choose the leaders in your own villages wisely, not because they are wealthy and powerful, but because they are smart and intelligent. Intelligent leaders are not hungry for attention. Intelligent leaders are not hungry for power. Intelligent leaders have no desires. They have vision. And there is enough intelligence in Goa. There is enough intelligence in every village of Goa. Listen to your heart, because you are one of them.
Be your own master. Do not serve any other master than the greatest master. And actually, that greatest master is in your heart. So follow your heart.
The best thing right now, what we can do is do something. Do something special by educating ignorant Goenkar not to be penny wise, pound foolish, by voting for corrupt leaders.
If people don't want to be scammed, first of all, they have to get informed and they have to stop getting all their perceptions from the mainstream media.
चार जाणांचे आशेक लागून लाखांचे लुकसाण करून घेवप इज नॉट अ रायट थिंग टू डू. इलेक्शना टायमार थोड्याच पयशांचे आशेन आनी सेल्फिश इंट्रस्टाक लागून फुडले पिळगेक गुलाम करून दवरप इज नॉट अ वायज थिंग टू डू.
गावडी रातचे जेवता केन्ना वचून लायनी रावताले गावड्यान फोन केला म्हणून म्हणाले तुम्ही ऑफिसार येवन मेळात म्हणून. ऑफिसार येवन मेळात जाल्यार कोण आमकां वासपूस करता. आपली VIP कोण येता तांकां पिकर घेतात आनी आमी कायद्यान रावल्यार आमकां कायदो ना. कोणाक कायदो हो कायदो कोणाक दिल्या करपाक. बायल मनशे घडयतात तुम्ही. माझ्या या डिसेंबराच्या 23 तारखेक घातलेले लायसन आहे. 7-8 महिने झाले तरी मला लायसन पास करत नाही.
पोचला एक और जालती बायल पोचला हिंगा. फोन माता येताय भितर वयताय. फोन माता येताय भितर वयताय. हे कितें चलता तुमगे हिंगा?
We brought our chemist with us and we had done qualitative test. It is proved positive.
आयवान येतनाच परत टेस्ट केली. सगळ्या नुस्त्याच्यो टेस्टी फॉर्मेलिन पॉझिटिव्ह. लोकल मार्केटांतलो झेलमात टेस्टीत नेगेटिव्ह सापडलो.
सो हांव म्हणटा ही जी FD आसा ती दोळे धापून काम करता काय कुड्डी जाल्लेली आसा. अरे हे पळयात मरे तुमी आंबे भाजी आख्खो धंदो जो आहा पळय केमिकली इन्फेक्टेड. हे एक प्रेग्नंट बायलेक जाल्लेल्या भुरग्यांक माल हे आमच्या जिवा बरोबर खेळटा. हे सगळे व्यापारी आहा ते. आमी गोंयकार अशेंच मरतले. कोरोना पेक्षा हे खान मरतले. तेजेर इन्क्वायरी जावपा जाय. व्हॉट्सएपार घे म्हणून व्हिडिओज येता ते आमी फॉरवर्ड करता बेकार आसलेल्या भशेन. तेजेर एक्शन कांयच जायना. घाला व्हरोन भितूर घाला तांकां सेक्शना लाया.
But for these migrants who have been coming to Goa over the last few years, our politicians have been arranging everything for them on arrival. We need to know who are the ministers, who are the MLAs and who are the panchayat members involved in this massive scam of vote bank politics. This is not permissible. So a detailed inquiry has to be done. An action in accordance with law has to be taken against those officials also who have connived with the politicians to give these migrants their voter and other cards. whatever remains of Goinkar and Goinkar Point has to be preserved for posterity.
लाईट कनेक्शन केन्ना दिलें हांकां फूल परमिशन फूल कन्स्ट्रक्शन करिनासतना तांकां डायरेक्टली सगळीं कनेक्शनां मेळ्ळीं आनी आमकां जेन्ना आमी घर बांदता तेन्ना आमकां सगळें फूल फिनिशिंग करपाक जाय मागीर इलेक्ट्रिक भितर लायटीचे सगळे पॉयंट्स दाखोवपाक जाय फायली 4 कडेन 10 कडेन व्हरून हांगा थंय नाचोवपाक जाय मागीर तुका मिटर बसयतले मागीर कनेक्शन सगळें दितले आनी हांकां घर रेडी जायनासतना जे गोंयकार न्हू तांकां रेडी जायनासतना आयज तांकां इलेक्ट्रिसिटीचे कनेक्शनां मेळटा हो खंयचो कायदो हे आमच्या ह्या कावन्सिलरांक ह्या सरपंचांक ह्या पंचांक कळपा जाय ह्या हितून हेच आमचे सरपंच आनी पंच गोंय सोंपयता मिनिस्टरांक हांव मागीर ब्लेम करता पयले पंच सरपंच कावन्सिलर्स हे गोंय सोंपोवपाक फुडें सरल्या हे लोकांक सांगता भायर सरान आनी हेंचेर कितें आहा ती आतां इलेक्शनाक हेंकां दाखयात
हे फॉरेनरांचे सगळ्यो इलिगल
कोण पोर्टाचे बी कोण काय करिना
कोर्टाचे पैसे खाता गव्हर्नमेंट पैसे खाता पंचायत खाता सगळे खाता लोकांक त्रास जाता
सगळ्या गोंयकारांचो पैसो जो आसा हाव दिस गव्हर्नमेंट इज टेकिंग वी गोंयकार्स फॉर ग्रांटेड this is the final nail in the coffin if you don't wake up now then I don't know what is to be done behind every developmental projects of these guys there is a humongous corruption total tender without publishing it in the newspaper was of 45 crore 71 lakhs आणि आम्ही टॅक्स मागीर कित्याक दिवप इफ वी आर नॉट गेटिंग एनीथिंग इन रिटर्न अरे 223 पोलांचे ज्याचे प्राइस 35,000 आसा ते तुम्ही टेंडर जे आसा ते 45 crore.71 lakhsक दिता म्हणल्यार एक पोल हो जो आसा तो 20,49,000 what kind of cruel joke is this on our constituency and on the state of Goa so let's wake up friends आता आम्ही उठपाचो टाइम आयला
केरी व्हडलो काणकोण तालुक्यात 7 कोटीचो घोटाळो जालो पूण अजून प्रॉपर चौकशी स्टार्ट जाली ना गोंयचे सीएम म्हणटात आमी घोटाळो खपून घेवचे नात खंयच्या अधिकाऱ्यांक माफ करचे नात पूण आज जेन्ना एरी व्हडलो टॉयलेटीचो घोटाळो चल्लो पूण आज म्हणल्यार तांची चौकशी जायना हे पयशे जवळ 7 करोड रुपया पब्लिकेचे कोणी तरी खाले पूण गव्हर्नमेंट आज ओगी आसा आनी जाय तितले घोटाळे केले तरी कोण विचारना कारण जनता ही आमगेली मोनी.
My uncle was admitted in 108 ward at Goa Medical College where my aunt was asked by these nurses to administer glucometer test as well as to give insulin injections.
माझी बायल खूब बेकरी ती सुयेक भियाता ती रक्त काडपाचें सुय आनी इन्सुलीन दिवपाचें काम करूच शकनासली परंतु नर्सीचो वेव्हार पळोवन ती लागींच्या बेडा वयल्या कोणाक सांगताली आनी रिक्वेस्ट करताली बाबा मातशें काम कर रे तरी नर्सींग थंय परवा नासली.
We have to involve the patient relations in the care. Once they are in the hospital, there are nurses who will teach the relations. For a long period they are not kept in the wards. One day they will be discharged. So the same care has to be followed at home. So they want to teach them here so that once they go home they'll be experts in that.
As per the RTI information I received, glucometer test is supposed to be administered by interns at Goa Medical College and insulin injections to be given by nurses on duty.
Every government worker and salary paid from the taxes that we pay. Yes, आमच्या टॅक्साचे पयशे.
आनी प्रॉब्लम कितें आहा मेडिसीन जेन्ना डॉक्टर प्रिस्क्रायब करता ते म्हणटा मेडिसिन्स ना गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन कमी आहा शॉर्टेज आहा एवरी टायम तोच रिजन दितात आनी वेलनस कितें थंय येयला ते कॅमिस्ट तेंचे कडेन सगळें आहा तेजे नेक्स्ट डो गव्हर्मेंटाचे आहा तेजे कडेन ना सो आमकां कळना कितें चल्लां पळय तें.
इनको हर जगह से पैसा चाहिए इनको हॉस्पिटल से भी चाहिए इनको पेशेंट से भी चाहिए ये मैं मानता हूं पैसा कमाओ लेकिन पैसा कमाओ पर मजबूरी का फायदा मत उठाओ. वो फार्मा कंपनी सारा खर्चा उसी आपकी दवाई में ऐड कर देती है और बाद में आप लुटते रहते हो. बड़ा स्कैंडल है ये अजीबोगरीब स्कैंडल है.
Let's try to convince them that all this can be stopped if we vote wisely. If we convince even one ignorant Goinkar, election timer, ask the account, लोकांक कशें पिशान काडटात ते. Even one person, maybe our family member, maybe neighbor, maybe a friend.
Well, I know some people don't like you to talk about those things. I know that. Some people don't like you to mention certain things. Some people don't want you to say this. Some people don't want you to say that. Some people are really fucking stupid. Did you ever notice that? How many really stupid people you run into during the day?
Even if we manage to convince one ignorant Goenkar not to be penny wise, pound foolish, then we are doing something good, doing something special to bring about the change in Goa. Let's try to explain to them the power of the people.
CBI has now issued summons to former Manipur Chief Minister Ibobi Singh in the 332 crore Manipur Development Society scam. He will be questioned tomorrow by the CBI.
And this is in regard to a massive 332 crore scam in the state of Manipur. This has happened while he was at the helm of affairs of the state. He is the former Chief Minister, and the scam has basically undergone when he was heading the state.
The Supreme Court has refused to entertain, in fact, a plea of flat owners seeking stay on its order on demolition of the 4 apartment complexes in Kochi's Maradu, which were built in violation of coastal regulation zone norms.
The Supreme Court has made it very, very clear. Forget 1 week, they cannot even given 1 hour of time. The Supreme Court also questioned the lawyer who appeared on behalf of the Kerala, the flat owner, saying that don't they know the laws?
The authorities are also set to begin the evacuation process of the 357 families living in 4 posh coastal apartment complexes today.
A junior superintendent who was posted at the Panchayat during 2006 to 2007 was summoned to the Crime Branch office. Chief Secretary will be held personally liable for CRZ violations, warned Supreme Court. Builder and 2 former Panchayat officials arrested. People in Kerala don't vote for money.
Force against to a building now down to rubble. It did not even take beyond 3 to 4 seconds, and there before your eyes you saw how the entire building was razed to the ground. An explosion that perhaps lasted less than 5 seconds, and this is the first one. Remember, this is the first out of the 4 posh complexes as per the Supreme Court's order that has to be brought down, and there you can see the debris of that building.
Goenkara, you have the power to bring about the change in Goa.
Ignore the naysayers.
Today, few people, less than 1%, dictate to everyone else with the help of 2% useful idiots.
Politicians फाटल्यान धांवप, चमची जावप, तेंचे पांय धुवप, आनी तितूच्यान तमाशा पळोवप कितें जाता, कशें जातलें, दुसऱ्या मुखार काडप, तेंचे कडल्यान आपल्या सादोवप. सो असली जें आसा, हें सगळें जें आसा, हें हांगसर चड चलता.
But what about remaining 97%? Yes, there are many people systematically kept on survival mode so that they do not have time to think, so that they can be exploited. We cannot blame them, but you have the power to change that. Goa need only 3.5% intelligent Goenkars to save Goa.
That brings us to this simple pie chart. It shows the percentage of a population required to create real and lasting change.
Researchers looked at movements from all over the world and found that when 3.5% of a population actively engages in fighting for change, they win every single time.
Yes, they win every single time. Just 3.5% intelligent Goenkars. That is what it will take to transform Goa. Just 3.5% intelligent Goenkars. That is what it will take to transform Goa. So, are you part of the intelligent 3.5% that can make a real difference in Goa? If so, please respond by sending a message to any one of the WhatsApp numbers shown on the screen. Right now, we are not talking about any party, group or leader.
Please, let's be clear on this point. There is no leader as far as I am concerned. You can create the speaker into a leader, which would be utter folly. But the speaker is not a leader. We are together cooperating to discover the cause of all this misery of man. You have had 1,000 leaders. They've all failed.
Try to understand most of our leaders today. Don't they think that they are special? Do they have an identity? My group, my party. A person with identity will try to do anything to protect it. For them, their group, their party, or their identity is more important than Goa. Development of Goa is the last thing on their mind.
If he's really fond of only his name, then what an ego-centered person he is. What a self-centered person.
A genuine person will never think that he is special, but a selfish person will.
We are talking about uniting like-minded and smart Goenkars who share a common goal. And if we can do that without any selfish interest, then Goa will change in such a way no one would ever have thought was possible. Goa has the potential to become even a blue zone. Goenkara, you have the power to bring about the change in Goa.
Ignore the naysayers.
गोंयकारा आयज तूं कोणूय आसूं एक शेतकार or एक scientist. If you really care about Goa, then do something. Like that frog. The frog did not do it to become a hero. That was pure intelligence. And if enough intelligent Goenkars come together, then there is no doubt Goa will change in a way that we never even imagined it's possible.
Mission: to save whatever is remaining of Goa. Goals: to provide free and quality education for every Goan child. To provide free and quality healthcare for every Goan. To implement zero tolerance policies in Goa.